Boats out there, some sailboats, some expensive boats, some expensive boats. Brand new houses, lots of expensive boats in front of them. So you know they have a little bit of money anyways. I guess they ain't hurting. Either that or they're in debt. That's my dad would say. Or the lake right here, guys. This is so pretty. I'm gonna let these people go by. Because I always say I'm in no hurry. So that is South Shore, so you can see that we're getting closer. Across from us is the Nevada side, so up there is Crystal Bay, Kings Beach area. We're gonna go back out on the road here. Dione's taking plenty of pictures. Ski resort on the south end is Heavenly Valley, I believe, and Alpine Meadows is up here. So Desolation Valley is right across the street from the Viking home in Emerald Bay. So we're gonna start to go up to get up into Emerald Bay. This area is really, really pretty. There's also a place that I want to kind of fly the drone besides Emerald Bay. I want to fly it, there's a California ad for California, and they talk about all the different places you can go in California, and one of them is up here, and it's a road that kind of twists and turns, as they say, twist and turn, and it shows you Lake Tahoe, and it shows you the little lake, which I forget the name offhand, right next to it, but that's really pretty too. So all right guys, we're gonna keep continuing driving. This is so beautiful, all the memories. I've been around this lake 50 million times. I was telling her we'd just drive around to drive around. Didn't have anything to do during the day. Gas was cheap, you know, we'd go. Swiss House has always been there. Whoa, whoa. They had a buffet for the longest time. When we were kids, I wonder if they had the buffet. Ooh, Swedish meatballs. That's what I remember there. All right, guys. Trying to memorize. Oh, look, we got a show 'em, honey. What do we got up there? We got a ski resort. It's called Homewood. So Homewood's just a little local one. It's not a very big ski resort. But they make snow up there. They got the big blowers and all that stuff up there.
Yikes.
What?
That's a hill.
Yeah, it's a hill. No kidding.
Afraid to go down that hill.
Nope, I wouldn't be. It's fun.
Just wanna see you, 'cause you will never know just how much I've been missing home. 'Cause I've been sinking like a stone. Carolina, take me home. Nothing's ever really broken. I won't let you go. 'Cause I'm finding my way right back to you. Yeah, I'll find my way back to you. I think that I'm finding my way right back to you. Yeah, I think that I'm finding my way. Thought it'd be golden, crossing the line and don't look back. I've been sinking like a stone. Carolina, take me home. Nothing's ever really broken, and I won't let you go.
So, we just flew the drone, and that's Emerald Bay. I'm gonna see if we can get closer. I know when we kind of go down a little bit further, probably another half a mile or so, it ends up getting a little bit wider, and Desolation Valley parking for the hike is on this side, and then on the other side of the road, there's parking to go down below and see the Viking home. Barely could see it through the trees, and for some reason, my drone will only go 100 feet here at Lake Tahoe. We just used it the other day, and I had it up 350 feet. So maybe there's a regulation on it, and maybe that's what it is. I have no idea. All right, guys, we're going to get going. We're going to keep going down south. We're going to hopefully stop up here and see more of Emerald Bay. And we're not going to go in the Viking home yet, but we will do that on a later date. Okay, thank you, guys. Cop just passed by. It's time for us to go. All right, guys, so we're not on the side of the road anymore. We found a parking spot over here. Everybody's shuffling to get a parking spot to go look over the edge. So we looked over the edge with the drone, and you just saw it, but we're gonna kind of go over these boulders over here by the restrooms, which is a porta potty. Gotta look over the edge and see what's out there. I don't know the name of the guy, but we'll study it. I'll put it down in the link below for you guys. But the guy that built the house himself, this was like a Norge, you know, like back in Denmark and Sweden, and you know, like glaciers would form in this one area, and then water would come up for it and everything, you know. So over here is the river. This river comes up from Desolation Valley, which is way up in the hill this way. You can hike up over the top of it and go to the other side. A lot of people try to climb up to the top. I've been up here, but I haven't been that far up there. We went probably as far as like around the corner over there behind that tree. But look, waterfall, you saw it when we went up with the drone. Isn't that pretty? Comes all the way down. You used to have to hike from here. There was a road that took you from where we are here, kind of down this way. We crisscross all the way down. And then way down that way is where the, there was a road actually too, because they had to go park service and all that stuff. But no, but right straight down that way was the house down there. And it was a carriage house. So when you came in, you had to go through the building, and then when you go through the building, they had grass on the roof, just like they do in Viking homes. And the whole area, when we come here, we'll see, is just one big cove, basically. So this was nothing more than ice all through here. All this whole thing was ice carved all out that, a glacier. And this was glacier water that sat up in here. So all of Lake Tahoe is glacier water. But this was just nothing but glacier. See how it tore the bedrock? This is all bedrock. It just tore it all down. Cool, come on, let's go. We'll go walking. The rich guy that built the house had that island out there, and he decided he wanted to take the island and build a castle on it for his daughter. So we built a castle on it. They had it built. So in the middle of the island, all the rocks like this are in the middle. And basically, that's what they did. I don't know what this is. Kihas.
That's where you pay to go on a tour.
Oh, we're not going to go do the tour. We're just going to go up here. How much is the tour, I wonder? We'll go check that out on the way back up.
15.
How much?
It's 15.
It's not bad. $30 to go see the Viking home. I think it used to be free when I was a kid because it was a state park maybe or something. I don't know. But yeah. There's the home down here. You can see. Should have probably brought the drone over here and flew it here. Get a better shot. So yeah, so the home, the Viking home, is right here. You can see the roof of it. Kind of goes around. There's a courtyard in the center. You can actually paddle out. As kids, we would get in. We had this rubber raft, and we would paddle like they're doing. And you can see some rafts over there. Some people are already on the island over there. I don't know if you're allowed to anymore, but there's a castle on it, and that was for the little girl. Mm-hmm. Isn't that cool? Rich people, they got money to do these things, you know? They could build these houses and build a castle for their daughter on the island. Come on.
I actually know the lady that was the last one to get married on that island.
Really?
She came into work and bought some doors and door knobs and stuff.
Oh, cool. Yeah, it's pretty neat.
Her name is Debbie.
But I'm glad that they donated it to the state of California. But you see what I'm saying? It's a Nord.
Oh, so pretty.
It's like just one entrance. It's just right there. Yep. That's the port into it. Good fishing too. Clear waters. Mm-mm-mm. All right, guys. We're gonna keep on going down. We're gonna go around the other side, and I'm following this little kid trying to get over. I couldn't put my foot over that for some reason. I think I'm old or something like that. Here, we'll get up over here where some other people were and check this out. The view from here. Yeah. All right, guys. So we're in South Lake Tahoe. We have not made it to, we haven't made it to Nevada side, but we're still on California side, okay? So we ate at Subway 3 hours ago, 4 hours ago. It's like 4 o'clock now. I'm lying, it's only 3. But we passed by a pho place. We haven't had a good bowl of pho for so long that we want some right now. So that's what we're gonna go do, and we're gonna go inside and eat some pho. So, yep, camera off over there. Bye. This camera, maybe we can take it in if we can talk. We have a nice little booth or something like that. We can sit down and talk, then we will, okay? So hey, we're gonna go eat some pho now. You guys wanna come in with us? And then we'll go by the casinos and go up the other side of Lake Tahoe. So we are now at the south end. It's about 3 o'clock now. I think we've gone so far, how many miles? We've only gone 48 miles so far, so hey, that's not too bad. All right, guys, we're going inside to their menu. And actually, I'm gonna get the raw beef pho. And yeah, that's gonna be good. And what you gonna get? The chicken. And that's all we're gonna get here because we haven't had pho in a long time. So, can't wait, actually. Pho's been really good. The first time I ever had pho was at work, obviously, at the Bow. We served it all the time. And then when I was training Dione over at Scarlet Pearl, where their uniform control place was, and where they had their seamstresses and everything else to get all that done for all of us, was in the shopping center. And there was a McDonald's or a Burger Queen or something in the front, Burger King in the front. But in the middle of the thing, and there was a bunch of other shops, there was a pho shop there, and it was like 2 sides, so I guess they got real popular and opened up the other side of another shop. Yeah. So, hey, we're gonna order. Hi, I'm gonna have the raw beef pho.
Can I have beef pho?
Yeah. And then chicken?
Chicken. And chicken pho?
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's it, thank you. So yeah, so that was really, really good, and I think that was the best I've ever had in my whole entire life. And then there was another place we went to that was, we went there a couple times, but oh, that one place was just so good. They actually had chrysanthemum tea in a can, and it was just really, really good. It was just sweet, but a little tart, and just had just a good flavor to it, refreshing. Yeah, and it was, what else? Oh, they had the spring rolls too. Seafood spring rolls, see-through spring rolls. And they had shrimp in it, yeah. Rice paper. They were really, really, really good. So anyway, so we're here, and we're gonna have our dinner and look up to the north of us where North Lake Tahoe is. Kings Beach is just straight across. And we've only been 40 miles, so we've got another 40 miles to go back the other way, is what it is. So that's gonna be fun. But I hope you guys are enjoying the trip. Hey, guess what? We might be just dropping you off about now. So hey, you guys know what to do first, right? Go ahead and go down below. Go ahead and give us that big like. After that, go ahead and subscribe, yeah, right there. And then hey, if you ring the bell, you get notifications each week that we have a video out. So go ahead and do that for us. Get on our Misfits Adventures. Check that out. We've got all sorts of stuff on there. We've got all of our photos, all of our videos, everything's on there. You can get onto our YouTube channel from there. So check it out. Alrighty. Ooh, all fixings. Good. Hey, we're about ready to eat now, so hey, come back, guys. Next week we'll see you, okay? Here's Dione. She'll tell you goodbye too.
Bye, guys. We'll see you next week.
Bye, guys. See ya.